Yeah, what's up guys, I'm going to teach you guys what shorting is on crypto for beginners. This is a quick tutorial and you're going to know what it is in a few seconds. Okay, so basically shorting. You want the price to go down. You make money when the price goes down. Now you might think, how is this possible? I'm going to show you. Let's say Bitcoin is sitting at 30,000, okay? And you say, okay, I'm going to short one Bitcoin at 30,000. So you short one Bitcoin. So you basically lend one Bitcoin, okay? And you sell it, okay? Basically you sell that one Bitcoin right there for 30,000. You have 30,000, okay? You have $30,000 right now. Now the price drops to 22,000 and you're like, okay, good stuff. It just dropped. I'm gonna give back that one Bitcoin that I just sold, okay? So you give it back and now you only need to give back 22,000, okay? Because you got it at 30,000. So you sold at 30,000 and you need to give it back at 22,000. So you basically just made 8,000 because you sold it a lot higher. So your one Bitcoin was a lot more worth. Now all this happens behind the scenes without you knowing it, just by pushing the short button. So that's basically it. It's really just not complex. You make the percentage that it goes down, you make basically. So if you put in $100 right here, which is like 0. a few O's Bitcoin, and it went down to 22, it's like I don't know how many percent that is. It's like 24%. So then you make $24 because it went down with 24%. If it went up actually and it went to 40k, well, you just lost money, but that's just how trading is. So yeah, then you would have need to give back the money and you would have lost money. But yeah, so that's basically just the easiest way to explain it. Hope you know what shorting is now. It's basically just you bet on the price to go down because you're in it at that place, you sell it and you give it back. So yeah, hope this video helped you guys, and subscribe for more crypto content.